Good morning. Welcome back. Happy Sunday. Today we have a journey. So we're still here in Delhi, India, and today we are headed to...
We're heading to Agra.
So it's gonna be quite the journey. We've got a 4-hour ride to get there. And we...
Oh my gosh, is it 4 hours?
3.5, 4 hours. I'm factoring in some traffic. We could take the train. There is an express train that goes there, but this will force us to get some work done.
Yes.
We'll be stuck in the car, getting work done, having some snacks. So this is good. We're in our ride.
We are.
AKA the office for the next few hours. I've got some work going on over here.
I'm gonna get started on work pretty soon.
Figured we'd check in though. The drive is nice. Our driver is navigating these streets like no business.
He's definitely a pro.
So we'll check in a bit, see where we end up, how far we are. After a fairly long journey, and it did turn out to be like 4.5 hours or so.
So long.
We made it to Agra.
We did.
We're at the hotel. We're staying at the Double Tree by Hilton
Guys,
here.
And this is the most beautiful double tree I've ever been to.
It's really nice. It's quite solid. I mean, this is the reception hall. Really,
Look at pretty.
really nice. We made dinner reservations, sort of. So we're gonna be eating...
Right over this.
I'm going the wrong way.
Right there.
Okay. So that is Kebabecue. Should
It's a
be...
witty name.
Yeah. It's an Indian restaurant, so we should have some traditional local food.
Yes.
And for now, we are going on a walking tour around Agra.
Yeah, so I found this online. It's through Guru Walk, and it's a free service where you sign up and then you pay based on what you think the tour guide deserves. So this is going to be about 2.5 hours. It is drizzling, so they're sending some umbrellas, but I'm so excited just to see what's around here.
Yeah, should be neat. So let's wait for our tour guide and then we'll be back. Show you around Agra. Chalo. We're about to start the walking tour, but it looks like there's some tuk-tuk negotiations. We've got a crowd of them that keeps passing by to win the business. 200 rupees. We'll hop in here. Not sure where we're headed, but they should organize the whole thing, really.
So now we will pass from the heritage from Agra Fort and Taj Mahal. Then we will go to the local spice market. Then we will go to the Jama Masjid.
Okay.
And he will drop us nearby. Then after the then we will finish the tour. Then we will get another tour.
Okay.
Okay. This is the Indian Ferrari.
Yes.
Behind these trees is a fort. And the Agra Fort. And a lot of it is still occupied by the Indian Army.
30% is open to the public, and you can visit it. It's quite big because, of course, Agra was the original capital city.
fort is incredible. All of this by hand. Cutouts from marble and sandstone. I mean, wow. And oh, there's something over there. We're not going to show you that yet. Maybe that'll be next week's video.
So they cut it river. Also they made by the British. The British.
So there's a lot of British influence. This road was created by the British because actually the river used to come up to the Agra Fort. Same thing with that bridge that you see off the distance over there.
This is going to be a little bit far away. Hopefully I can crop in. But that is the baby Taj, or what's referred to as the baby Taj. Similarly, a mausoleum. With this bridge, or bridges, there's two bridges there. And that was built by the British. Agra is quite interesting. Lots of history here.
Is around 80% used inside the Taj Mahal. Every year, the Hindu people, they are arranging like a band, so a kind of band, and they go from the temple and the city. This is called like a Ram Barat. Local street food of Agra. Maybe you have seen in Delhi, also samosa, chori, food hai there. Something they use as potatoes, nothing. Green chili and spices. There is a sweet also which is called gulab jamun.
How awesome. That was spectacular.
It was madness.
This is too small compared to if you will go there in the evening after the 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, there is a traffic. You cannot move easily from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really hard to move in and out.
Here you can see. That one is the Jama Masjid. Maybe have you visited Jama Masjid in Delhi also? This is also one of the biggest mosques of India.
That's the Jama Masjid here in Agra.
How beautiful.
Look at the colors, the designs everywhere. And look, there's monkeys up there too.
Yeah, there's a few monkeys up there. Wow.
Said it was the biggest one.
It looks like it. Is this like the one that we visited?
Yesterday, yeah.
But this one is a bigger version.
Jama Masjid in Delhi is more big and more beautiful. But this is also one of the biggest mosques in India also, which was built by the Jahanara. Jahanara was a daughter of Shah Jahan.
They're doing a lot of work to the one in Delhi.
Yeah. Delhi and Agra.
Looks very similar to the one that we saw in Delhi.
So this is the Jama Masjid. Called Jama Masjid. Also made by the red sand stone, which is coming from the Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri is around 45 kilometers far away from here, and decorated with the white marble and stone, black onyx. They use
Oh, is that what the writing
and
is?
also you can see like these arches. These kind of arches you can find all in all the mosques from all over the world. This is the Indo-Islamic work. A similar kind of work you can see in the Taj Mahal also, because Mughals, they were a Muslim. So in the fort here in the Taj Mahal you can find the Indo-Islamic work. But the third Mughal king who built the Agra Fort, his third wife was a Hindu. She was a queen of Rajasthan from Jaipur. So that's why we can find in the Agra Fort there is a mixed architecture, Hindu architecture and Muslim Indo. Wedding, there you can find lot of them.
Yeah.
2 or 3 times more like.
And Diwali starts next month. Yeah.
We will show you how you can shape. First of all, you will have to be, you can shape like this, and this is stone, just hold it like this, and and just wet it first, yes, and with the right hand rotate, and left hand just rotate and get it like close to this, and just, yes, do it hard. And now you can see the shape of the stone. Here, my friend. Now we got an artisans here.
I'm an artist.
He's an artist now.
So you can try. How hard is this? Once they grind the stones, they grind their fingers sometime.
Okay. So then you give it shape, so you
Yes,
curve it.
they have to do carefully, because reason of that, because they curved it according to the design. What are they going to make? Do you want to try this also?
Oh, wow.
Look at the fingers. You will not get impression on their fingers.
No
In here.
fingerprints.
No fingerprints.
Nice.
You know, in India, like one identity that's we call Aadhaar. Once he went to the bank and he was trying to, he
Or
didn't
at
get
the airport.
He had to go.
You can't get it.
And you want to try here?
Yes.
Sure.
So you hold like this?
Yes, no, let me tell you, it has got the way. You will have to hold like this. Pressure from here and do it like this. And you can try how hard is this. Is it hard?
Yes.
Am I right?
You have to be very strong.
It is, because the hardness of this marble next to the diamond. Because diamond is hardest things in the world.
Wow.
But this after the diamond, it's hardest things.
Pretty good.
There is the Taj Mahal.